Hello and good morning students. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, today we shall have exercise based on present perfect tense. Yesterday we learned present perfect tense and we discussed many things. Especially we talked about three types of actions in present perfect tense. Firstly, the action that has completed just now means action completed, finished at this moment right now or recently, or if the action is not completed, the action or activity has reached up to certain stage or level. What is the present status of that particular action, that particular project? Okay, then we talked about the action that took place in the past, but its influence or impact could be felt in present time. All right, for example, you said take coffee and somebody said to you take coffee, and you said okay, thank you, I have already taken coffee, or I have taken coffee. Or he has cut his finger, still he feels the pain. All right, and then we talked about the action that took place in the past, but the same action is going on at this moment as well. For example, I said okay that मैं इस घर में 5 साल से रह रहा हूँ. I have lived in this house for 5 years. So before 5 years I started living here, I settled here, and I started living here, but I am still living here. Alright, so these three major actions and activities we talked about, we discussed yesterday in present perfect tense. Okay, so today we shall have exercise, and before we shall have exercise, you must pay attention on certain adverbs, time adverbials, okay, that talk or that show that particular sentence or particular talk or discussion is going on in present perfect tense. But these time adverbials are not only meant to present perfect tense only, they are also used in present perfect continuous tense, they are also used in present simple tense as well. Alright, but generally these adverbs are used in present perfect tense. So let's have a look on them first, and then we shall have exercise. So let's start. Time adverbials: already, yet, ever, never, how long, so far, just, for, since, recently, lately. Lately means recently. Still, once, twice, this morning, this week, this month, up to now, now, etc. Alright. So these time adverbials are generally used in present perfect tense. So now let's have a look on exercise. The plan just take off. This just. Alright. Just. टेक ऑफ क्या होता है? जब एरोप्लेन जमीन से ऊपर की ओर उड़ता है. Alright, the moment it leaves the ground, the moment it flies in air, it is called taking off. Alright, so the plane just take off. Plane अभी अभी उड़ा है, अभी just उड़ा है. So the plane singular now, so that's why we'll use here has. Just adverb is used here. Then take third form taken off. The plane has just taken off. Flight अभी just उड़ा है, अभी भी उड़ा है. Got it? So as I told you, in present perfect tense we use have or has plus third form of the verb. Alright. Next, the water not boiled yet. The water not boiled yet. पानी अभी गर्म नहीं हुआ है. Alright, yet is used. अभी तक. The water has not boiled yet. पानी अभी तक उबला नहीं है. Alright. We know each other for past 10 years. हम पिछले 10 साल से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. 10 years before you met each other, you met first time, and still you are in contact. You know each other. You haven't forgotten. So connected to now. So present perfect tense will use here. We, since we, so we will use here have. We have. No, third form no, new, known. We have known each other for past 10 years. Got it? The train arrive now. ट्रेन अभी भी आई है और अभी जस्ट आ चुकी है या आ गई है. द ट्रेन हैज अराइव्ड. गॉट इट? देन 2 weeks passed since I came here. See, this is very important sentence. 2 weeks passed since I came here. ये वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म है, पास्ट टेंस है. 2 weeks passed since I came here. मैं यहाँ आया और 2 week हो गए. See student, when since is used, the adverb since is used here. All right. So with since clause, past simple tense is used, and before since the clause, there present perfect tense is used. Okay. This is the sequence of tense. Before since you will use present perfect tense. After since you will use past simple tense. All right. So since I came here. All right. So this is V2 past simple tense. So here we have to use present perfect tense. So 2 weeks have, or third form past, since I came here. All right. She finished her work just now. अभी उसने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है. Just completed, finished action. So she has finished her work. All right. I been to Jaipur twice. I been to Jaipur twice. मैं जयपुर 2 बार गया हूँ. मैं जयपुर 2 बार होके आया हूँ. All right. So I, with I we use have. Third form of be, yesterday I told you be, first form, second form was and were, and third form been. So I have been to Jaipur twice. Got it? You ever meet him before question mark? क्या आप कभी उससे पहले मिले हो? So for present perfect tense, whenever interrogative sentence is formed, okay, we put has or have helping verb at first. So with you will use here have. Have you ever met? Have you ever met him before? क्या तुम उससे पहले मिले हो?